Hey guys, what's going on? It's Penguin Dude 0430 here, and today I'm gonna make a video, as you can see right now. You probably already know what it is because of the title, but since I haven't been making videos that often, I decided to do something that's really popular, which are fidget spinners. And if you don't know what a fidget spinner is, it's a fidget that helps ADD, ADHD, and autism, and it spins. So that's what I'm going to be showing today. I'm going to unbox 2 spinners, and then I'm going to show you my 3 others. So, and at the end, we're going to see which one spins for the longest time. So let's get into the video. First, we have this spinner. It's not a spinner. It's just kind of like a mini fidget spinner, but it's just a bearing with caps on it. So that's pretty much what it is. Spins for 6 seconds, I think, and I just broke it. There we go. And next one is this spinner. It's called a 2-side spinner, but that's the only 2-sided I have. But this is a school store spinner, so I bought it from the school, and I kind of modified it because I put caps on it and put nickels in it. It doesn't come with nickels, but they're supposed to be nickels in there anyway, so yeah. And also I have a bearing in here, and it didn't come with this bearing, but this is a standard skateboard bearing, and the other one came with just a really crappy bearing, so it was really rusty and stuff, so I took that one out. I sold it with a spinner that my friend wanted. So, yeah, I just gave him that bearing too. So, I didn't want it anymore. So, this is a pretty good spinner. I modified it. Spins for almost a minute. And the last one that I have right now is this spinner. I customized it. It's has some blue bearings, and its body is black. You can take it apart, legit, apart, because you can split this in half, take it apart, and then take the caps off, take the bearings off if you need to clean the bearing inside. So, yeah. Spins for almost 2 minutes, and yeah. So if you wanted to see the bearing, it's actually really tiny. It's customized, so yeah. The bearing's really small. Now let's go to the next one, and the little one. This one's kind of loud, but also this one because there's no body to it. So next, I'm gonna show you the spinners I got at Walgreens. I got 2 of them. These they didn't have any more really. They only had these 2 kinds, so I got these 2 just to show you guys. But there are way more. I can get some more if you like this video. Can we get 5 likes on this video? And 30 views. It's pretty sad, but I know we can do it. If you want to see more spinner videos. So first one we have is the emoji spinner. Stress gear. The face on it. I don't know. So we're going to open this one first. And yeah. So, okay. So it has 2 different faces. Pretty smooth spinner. It has 2 different faces. So it has this one that I showed before. And it has this one. So it's kind of a surprise face with a kind of evil face. So this spinner is really smooth, as you can see. We'll test it out in a second. my other spinners when we do the spin test. So, yeah, blue bearings. If you want to see the bearing inside, let me get something. Okay, so I'm gonna get scissors to open up this. Chisel it out. It's kind of hard because it's brand new. Oh, I think I got it in there. Oh, I got it. So this is the bearing. That's just a standard bearing. Spins better with the cap on. Because, I don't know. Yeah, this is a pretty good spinner. I think that you should get these. They're only $5 to $6 at Walgreens. Or I think they also sell them at 7-Eleven, but I'm not sure. So put that one to the side and open up the next one. So we have right now the soccer one. They're pretty cool. I think there might be more like sports ones with like maybe a baseball or a basketball. But these are the only two they had left. Spinners are selling out pretty quickly almost everywhere. So yeah. And we will open this one up. So this one's a pretty cool spinner. I think it was pretty cool. They only had 2 left of this kind. I'm not going to open this bearing up because I think since it's the same company, same bearing. So, pretty smooth. The bearings in there are just regular bearings. None of the bearings can come out. But I feel like this one is a little bit louder and a little bit more wobbly than this one. This one's really smooth. But I'm going to open this bearing up again. So you can see what it looks like. There. So, pretty smooth. The bearings are so smooth. This one's kind of... Ugh. I don't think it's so smooth anymore. But, let's give them a test. So, I'm going to put all of those spinners right here. So, this one, we need to count how many minutes. So, 1, 2. Actually, I'm not going to count. You guys should just comment down below what you think well, I don't know how to say it, how much time there was and who won. Move that one to the side. Start up this yellow one. Oh god, they got that. Never mind then. Well, I think these are pretty 2 smooth spinners. They are really good. And since these are my 3 spinners that are really good, I think that these 3 should see which one wins, I guess. So we have my blue one with the cat that just fell off, and we have this one, red face, scary face, and we have the soccer ball one. So yeah. I'm going to show you one more time how well they spin and how smooth they spin. So I'm going to set these up. I'm going to set the blue one up first. So you can kind of hear some noise because it's on a box, not that steady. So as you can see, these are my 3 good spinners. That one's cap just flew off. This one, mad face.